Okay, so this is an example of a kitchen design that we did recently here. And we have a contractor and he'll go out to a job, he'll measure it, hoping to get, a customer, and he'll call us with the wall measurements here. And once we have the wall measurements and specifically the height of the ceilings, you know, and then the other important things are the windows with respect to let's say the left edge of the window with respect to the left end of the wall and the right end of the wall and so forth, because it's very important to know the exact location of the windows. And then typically you have the sink centered on the window and whatnot, so that's a big part of the design. And we have very good software to be able to do these kitchen designs. And then you have, this was the other wall here. And what he did here was he did glass cabinets for the cabinets up here. I didn't show that with the design, but I can. But yeah, so it ended up being a nice kitchen that he completed because it had all these glass doors, whatnot. And then this is the island here. Yeah, so this is the front of the island, this is the back of the island. And we're able to, with this software program, we're able to determine exactly what parts are needed as far as how many toe kicks, how much crown, whether there's skin. Sometimes depending on the manufacturer, you need like a skin panel for a finished end. And it also helps to know, is there like a wall here, right? See, there's no wall here, so then you're going to need a finished end. Whereas here you got a wall coming out. So here you put a filler typically. Typically you want about at least like a 2-inch filler, to keep it away from the wall. So especially if there's a drawer, you got to make sure the drawer opens properly. So, this is what we do. Typically, we charge anywhere from like $100 to $200 to do these kitchen designs. We don't make any money on it. It's more of like a courtesy. But, so anyway, that's really our kitchen design service. And, the hope is that, then the customer purchases a kitchen. So like I said, we don't try to make a lot of money off kitchen design here. But anyway, so if you have any questions, just give us a call at, or email us. Thank you. Bye.